Okay. My name's...
Are you nervous, Douglas?
I got a funny story. I have this cat. I have a video on YouTube, and it's really funny. My cat, I made this hot chocolate, and my cat actually just held it. And it was... And,
So that wasn't the audition? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What are you gonna sing?
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 I'm gonna sing Chocolate Rain by Tay, made famous by chocolate.
Of course.
I need to warm up. So if you'll allow me.
Of course.
Wow, you really projected on that one.
Wrong. Wrong. Okay. Now. Wrong. 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 I'm sorry. Chocolate. Chocolate. Rain. Rain. Chocolate.
What the bloody hell was that?
This is the weirdest audition, man.
I had about 100 nightmares that I would mess.
Well, you did.
Singing's not
It
your
doesn't
thing,
matter.
baby.
None of it matters.
Chocolate rain. Sometimes my voice scares me in my sleep.
What song is that? What song is that?
Chocolate rain. These glasses.
Douglas.